Hey guys, welcome back to Global Scale channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the serpentine belt on this 2001 Jeep Wrangler 4.0 liter V6 engine. We're gonna be replacing this part. It's a K06C750. We will replace it and I'm gonna show you all the tools we need to do this process. Let's go. And before I'm gonna start, I'm gonna show you the sponsor of this video. The moment of truth. Let me see if I can push this Jeep by myself. Alright guys, as you saw, I was able to move the Jeep sideways on the pavement. It's a little hard, it will require two people, but I was able to do it. In your garage or in your shop, it will be a much easier. It's a one-person job and you can do it. Let's go back to the video. Now let's install the serpentine belt. All right, guys, so if you get to this point, congratulations, you're almost done. So now I'm just gonna use this 1.5 and do the same thing basically. Make sure it's already in, and here we're just gonna push down. Push down, all the way. Push more. There you go. All right, make sure it's already tight, and you're good. Process doesn't take you that long. It just the fitment, you know, the space is not that great, but you can, you know, use only one tool and you'll be able to take it off and then put the new one back. So I hope, guys, that's this video helped you to do the serpentine belt, and if you guys like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. See you soon. At the same time, guys, this is V6 4.0. Like I said before, check out your diagram for your serpentine belt, if it's the same or if it's different. Usually it's right here by the hood or by the radiators. If it's not, then you can check your service manual so you'll be able to do it 100% correct. See you soon.